Make a mini cheese board with me and we're going to have it with some wine. What we have right now is Sangria from Felicia. It's a local brand and I think pinost ko na rin sila dati. I'm gonna pour us a glass. I just realized medyo marami pala akong wine dito. The most familiar is, of course, the cheddar. And ito usually ginagamit natin sa sandwiches and burgers. I'm just gonna have it with a toasted baguette. It's just a little bit sharp. Up next, yung mga cheeses na never ko pa na-try before. This is the bush pepper. Subukan muna natin siya on its own. And this is a little bit spicy, a little bit peppery. Konting fruity taste. We're going to try it with toasted baguette and maybe a blackberry. Cheers. Blackberry is so sweet. Wow. Ang sarap. Sarap. Next natin si Rubicon Red. Medyo mellow lang naman ito. A little bit nutty Rubicon Red with toasted baguette, spicy honey, 2 pieces of blueberry. There's something about nutty cheeses with something sweet. So good. Sangria wine. Next one we're having is the Lancashire. Kind of reminds me of Gouda, pero mas tangy, slightly salty. You know what I think I forgot? I think I forgot to add some baby pickles. Beautiful baby pickles. Lancashire cheese, a baby pickle, may extra spicy honey, tapos magche-chaser tayo ng muscat grapes. First of all, wow, with that pickles. I love this. Last one is a double Gloucester. It's a little bit citrus. Medyo parang there's a lime aftertaste. Again, with a baguette. Spicy honey. A blackberry. A spicy almond. We are serving this for Christmas, guys. Ang sarap ng blackberry. It's my first time having them. Bush pepper, pickle, spicy honey, and a walnut. A blackberry, cheese, and a spicy almond. So good, guys. We are ending it with some more sangria wine.